Welcome back, children. Weather and climate. Geography, Lesson 2, Standard 8. Weather and climate. So, what is weather and climate? In a small village in India, Yukta enjoys a vacation with her family. She wears cotton clothes. At the same time, in the May month, Ria, who lives in New Zealand with her parents, is enjoying winter. She is covered with fleece jacket, jeans, gloves, and socks. Yukta celebrates Christmas with friends in winter, whereas Tia celebrates Christmas during summer. Can you think why? This is because Yukta and Ria stay in two different hemispheres and a different way of life. The difference in weather condition of those places because of the difference in hemispheres. So in this chapter we will deal about climate and weather. What is the difference between weather and climate? What is weather? Weather is the day-to-day condition of the atmosphere at any place for a short period of time. So it is decided for a short time. Only this weather. Earth's atmosphere contains different layers of gases. It contains about 78% of nitrogen, 21% oxygen, 0.97% argon, 0.03% carbon dioxide, and 0.04% trace of other gases and water vapor. In the morning, the weather might be sunny with a clear sky in a place, and in evening there might be clouds and rain. Similarly, the weather is cool in winter and hot in summer. We would have heard some people saying, "Today the climate is good or bad." It is incorrect to say like that. We should observe the television news readers even saying weather report. It is not the climate report. So, for example, the cricket match has been postponed due to bad weather. So, weather and climate are completely different. Weather is the condition of the atmosphere for a particular time, for a short period of time. Moving on to climate. Climate is the average condition of the weather of a place or region. It is generally determined by measuring the weather elements for a long period of time, which is usually for 35 years. The climate does not change often like weather. The scientific study of weather is called meteorology, and the scientific study of climate is called climatology. As we all know, the earth is spherical in shape. So, what happens? It revolves around the sun. All of us know that. So, the sun's rays fall unevenly on the earth's surface. You can see the picture there, how the sun's rays is falling on the earth. So, the polar regions receive slanting sun's rays. Hence, there is little or no sunlight there. So it's extremely cold in winters. When there is no sunlight, what happens? The climate becomes very cold. So vertical sun's rays fall directly on regions around the equator. Hence, the climate is very hot in the equatorial regions. And almost there will be no winters at all, because every time the sun's rays fall in the equatorial belt. Thus, the sun's rays, how it reaches the earth, it determines a lot about on the weather and climate of a place. Next, we move on to the first element of weather and climate, that is temperature. Temperature is one of the key elements of weather and climate. The earth and its atmosphere, it get heated from the sun through insolation. Insolation means incoming solar radiation. So the degree of heat present in the air, it is termed as temperature. How much degree of heat is there in the atmosphere? It is named as temperature. Temperature varies with time due to changes in the level of radiation which reach the earth's surface. That is the insolation when it reaches the earth's surface. according to the temperature only, the climate also depends. So heat energy from solar radiation is received by the earth through three mechanisms, that is radiation, conduction and convection. The earth's atmosphere is heated more by terrestrial radiation than insolation. So terrestrial radiation means, it means radiation from the land. So these are the examples of radiations. The other factors affecting are latitude, then distance from the equator, then distance of wind, that is the direction of the wind blowing, the altitude. These all affect the distribution of temperature. So the temperature depends upon, you can see the picture, the map there, the same parallel lines in those colors, no, see it's in the parallel direction. So those places have the same temperature. Hence the climate is also same in these regions. The lowest temperature ever recorded on the earth was minus 89 degree 0.2 degrees Celsius. The highest temperature ever recorded on earth was 56.7 degrees Celsius. Next we will see the measuring of temperature, mean of the temperature. The average of maximum and minimum temperatures within 24 hours is called mean temperature. The diurnal range of temperature, difference between the maximum and minimum temperature of a day. The annual range of temperature means difference between the highest and the lowest mean monthly temperatures of a year. So the monthly temperatures, the difference, okay, that is the annual range of temperature. Hope all of you have understood what is weather, climate and temperature related to it. Thank you.